News this evening, East Portland goes green. Anne-Marie Vaz defeats Damian Crawford in the by-election.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Archibald Gordon. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Archibald. Well, farmers are back in the business news. They are calling for a new policy to govern the use of lands. They say farmlands are being used for everything else. I'll have the details in the business day.
And Archie, also this evening we have sports, and Karen Madden is here with our preview.
You're sure about that? We do have sports. Well, following last week's boys and girls champs, some coaches are complaining that this weekend's character trials is too close for comfort. But the governing body for Jamaica's athletics, the J3, says it's all systems go to select Jamaica's team for the character games. I'll give you all the details later.
Now, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But let's spare a moment just to show you those results. They're in the screen behind us. The JLP's Anne-Marie Vaz with 9,917 votes, and the PNP's Damian Crawford, Janella.
The Damian Crawford got 9,611 votes, and of course, Archie, we will be joining our team in East Portland for. I suppose that the supporters from the Jamaica Labour Party are in a celebratory mood as we speak. So hopefully, we will join our team live on the ground.
And that's Andrea Chisholm and Dwayne Anderson. But for the moment, let's tell you what's our feedback question.
We're asking tonight, what are your thoughts on how the by-election campaign went in East Portland?
Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet at televisionjam.
Stay with us. The Primetime News package returns after this break.